It's important that your eyes don't get tired of looking at the monitor and everything works well. Top hardware is expensive and often it's not helping to the development of programming skills rather than playing computer games. That's why a professional programmer doesn't need a computer that costs as much as a flight into space. There is a certain gold standard which will satisfy most programming tasks. In general, you can build a more powerful PC for less money than laptops. Processor is a computer brain, so take at least Core i5 or preferably Core i7 and above. Nowadays, amount of memory is much more important than its speed. So, the more memory, the better. You need at least 8 GB RAM. But it's better to take 16 GB and even more memory. Take SSD disk. This is a solid-state drive which is very fast. It's better to take 400 GB or even more. What about video card? Powerful video cards used by miners or gamers. Programmers usually don't need a powerful video card. This video card will cover most needs of the professional programmer, even for work with 3D graphics. To understand which monitor you need, try to visualize your workflow. What windows you will have, exactly what you will be doing. Someone likes to program on a laptop with inbuilt screen. Others might need 3 monitors that stand and show a lot of different windows. If you don't have your own programming habits yet, then I recommend you get one large monitor from 27 to 32 inches with a good IPS matrix. Monitor should not be curved, but flat, and you should be able to flip it at a vertical position. With this screen size, you will be able to comfortably run IDE, development environment, so you can test your program side by side, and you will also be able to open the browser to Google the additional information. The mouse should be comfortable for your hand, the keyboard should feel good, and you should enjoy pressing the keys. There are no general rules. I can recommend my favorite mouse and my favorite keyboard. I'll put the links in the description box underneath the video. Of course, the new computer will make programming faster and more comfortable, but even now you have a lot more than programmers of the past. What computer do you have right now? Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!